You walk a queen, you always keep it G.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip.
Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Z, and if you are into beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, definitely make sure you stick around, subscribe, hit the like button as well if you enjoy this video. Leave a comment below. So in today's video, we are going to be getting into my glasses that I ordered from off of Zeelool.com. So no, this is not a sponsored post, but I would really love to work with Zeelool.com because I was very satisfied with my purchase. So I ordered two glasses. They are prescription glasses. So Zeelool.com is very popular for people who are looking for affordable prescription glasses. So they do offer as well just regular frames if you just want that type of look, like if you do not wear glasses, like if you are not blind like me and others out here. But it is very expensive, you guys, to go to like your local eye doctor, even like Walmart, you guys, which is supposed to be affordable, even Target. They charge a lot of money. I do feel like they overcharge, and Zeelool.com is definitely very affordable if you are looking for some prescription glasses and you don't want to pay an arm and a leg, because that's literally, you know what it is, you're paying an arm and a leg just, you know, to be not blind again. So yeah, this is me just opening up the box for Zeelool.com. I was very pleased at the packaging as well. It was packaged very neatly. So in this clip you can see that this is where my prescription glasses had came into. I'm assuming they use this for, like, you know, to take it to the lab. I'm not really sure. They also gave me a $7 coupon, which I will definitely be using. This is something that you're supposed to be using to like measure. I'm not really sure what that's for, y'all, but it came into the box. So this is me just unwrapping each individual eyeglass. I only ordered two. I was just kind of like testing out the site, and I will definitely be ordering more prescription glasses. So each glasses were neatly wrapped in a wipe where you can like wipe off your glasses. It came with plastic on it as well. My prescription was very perfect. The quality of the glasses I'm very satisfied in, even though, you know, Zeelool.com does offer affordable glasses, which they're really cheap, but the quality is there as well. So this is the second pair that I ordered. I believe this one is called Champagne. They don't have specific names for the glasses, but I will definitely try to leave the links to the ones that I ordered in the description box below. A lot of the popular items, you guys, are not available, but I'll have to keep checking back on there because I want some like regular black frames, which I couldn't find, unfortunately, but I'm very pleased at the ones that I did decide to get. So yeah, this is the second pair. This is the champagne color, and this is me. Okay, so this is the first pair that I got from Zeelool.com. I am like super satisfied with my order. Like it feels like I actually went to the eye doctor, which is really crazy because I didn't. Like, I just ordered it offline. But I did give Zeelool my prescription. So these are prescription glasses. I got two pairs and I'm like super satisfied. Like, I'm definitely going to be ordering more. So this is the first pair that I got. I chose this pair because honestly it was hard for me to find like regular black frames because I guess they were popular items, which were all sold out. But I would definitely keep checking back on the site to, you know, get some regular black frames. But these are black and gold. I really like these. They're like very sleek. Honestly, yesterday when I got my package and I unboxed it, I had a hard time deciding which ones to wear. Like, honestly, I wish I could wear both at the same time, which is not possible. But I did wear both yesterday. So I wore these for a couple of hours because it matched my outfit. I had on like a black t-shirt, but like some beige or like tan camo looking dress pants. So it definitely matched my outfit. So I wore these for a couple of hours, but then I switched over to the pair that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the second pair, you guys, and I really love these. Like, I love both of them, even though they're two different styles, but they just fit my face like very well. So the color of this one is like champagne. So they don't have, like on the site, they don't have like specific names for the frames, but this one is like champagne, and I'll try to leave the links to the 2 glasses that I got so that you can see like the style of it. But again, I did get mine prescribed, so I want to share with you guys too on how much I paid for them, because I'm going to show you guys my old glasses. Like I got these last year around this time, actually, just some clear frames. They are prescribed as well, but the place that I went to, you guys, I mean, it's like a regular eye doctor place, but I paid almost $300. Okay, like in the price that I got 2 pair of glasses for under $60 from Zeelool.com. Like that's why I'm so surprised that, like, you know, everything was on point. When immediately when I put on my glasses, like I was like, yeah, these are it, because they did not mess up my prescription as well. Like I can see very, very clear from these. Like it's definitely like top tier quality. Okay, so yeah, and I just like these were like almost $300. Okay, including like the exam and stuff too, you guys. I mean, I just feel like other eyeglass places that you have to actually go to, they overcharge, like most definitely. But the great thing about Zeelool.com, you don't have to leave your home. If you already have your prescription prescribed, like if you already have those numbers available, you can put it in on the site. That's exactly what I did after I picked out my frame. So I'm going to talk about the price that I paid, y'all. I just cannot believe this, because I wanted to really try Zeelool.com out for so long, and then like now it's like I really needed glasses, so I was like, let me just go ahead and order some just to, you know, try them out. So the frames that I have on now, you guys, the frame price, which is separate from like if you do need, you know, some extra support or like, you know, prescription. So they were $24, so it's $24.76. And the black frames that I got here, these were only $7. And I also chose the classic frame, so they have like the standard, classic, and there's like another option as well. There was no discount applied. I mean, it's already a discount, y'all. I did not even trip about having an extra discount, honestly, because of how, you know, affordable it is. So I did choose advanced shipping. I feel like the shipping was pretty fast, and the time around, though, the time that I did order mine, so Memorial Day just passed like not too long ago, so I kind of did have to wait like an extra day or two to receive mine. But they came yesterday. Actually, today is June the 7th, so they came yesterday, June the 6th. I ordered these May 24th, so the shipping is definitely pretty fast compared to, like, it's basically quicker even if you were to go to your local eye doctor and, you know, order glasses. It's like you'll be waiting pretty much around the same time, but I feel like Zeelool was actually quicker. I only paid $51.71 for 2 pairs of glasses, like really nice glasses that are prescribed for me. So yeah, I would definitely be shopping again on Zeelool.com. I'm actually about to go on there right now, y'all, just to see what else they got on there, but I'll try to leave the links to the glasses below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out Zeelool.com if you are looking for affordable glasses. Even if you're not, y'all, they just have really cute glasses. Like, they're very trendy, depending on, you know, what your style is. They have something for everyone on there. So yeah, I am super satisfied and happy about my purchase from Zeelool.com. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment below as well, and definitely make sure you subscribe as well to the channel for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?